welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul for Zara and Mango. It's a small clothing haul and I just wanted to show you some of the things that I found at Zara. This is my spring clothes. As we're transitioning, you know, you can wear shorter clothes and stuff like that. So I'm just trying out new styles and trying out new things. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. One of the dresses that I got is this nice blazer dress, which I really love and I like, and I hope it fits me. It looks really nice and it was $49.99 from Zara. It's really nice, well made. The material is nice. And yeah guys, most of the time when I try on these dresses, they're really small, my bust area, because they have no stretch. So let's see how this looks. Let's try it on and see how it looks. The other thing I got from Zara is this beautiful dress. It's actually faux leather. It's a really nice, I like the texture. It's well made. I usually don't like clothes. I usually don't like stuff like this because of the way it's made. I mean, they can be a bit sweaty, but the good thing about this one is that it has an inside lining which is like soft. It's not like it's clinging on your body, because usually most of the times the faux leather clothes, they cling on you. The strings are too long for me for one, and it doesn't have an adjustable, so I guess you have to tie them like that to make it work. But so another thing I bought from Zara is this. So it's like a bodysuit and I really like it. I've seen a lot of people talk about it, and these are not usually stuff that I buy because I just don't like wearing bodysuits. But this is another color in tan. The tan color is nice as well. You can't see the white, but this is the tan color. It's the same, it's a bodysuit. So I got two of them. Very good stitching, it's thick, and that's one of the other reason why I got it, because people said in their videos that it was really well stitched and it was thick, and I need thickness is always good when you're getting a bodysuit. So I went ahead and got two of them, guys. I got a nude and a white one as basics to put inside my clothes. The thing that I bought is this beautiful dress. This is a nice spring/summer dress. It's dots, black and white dots is something that has been around for a long time, and I just think this is classic. It never dies out. It's elegant. This dress is really beautiful. It's very feminine, and it has, you know, it's like a wrap dress. I really like it. I got it from Zara and I tried it on. This is a size L. It's size L and it's $49.99 and euro, and I'm really excited, and I can't, although when I tried it on it couldn't fit here, and their largest size was actually large, so it couldn't fit here. Put in a black top inside just to kind of, you know, hide some of the cleavage, but it's really a nice dress and I'm really excited about it, guys. So let's get trying. Let's see how it looks. Another thing I bought from Zara was these pants, black pants. They look really nice. I like them and I think they'll look nice on me. They're really nice. They have a V here that they have here, which I think is nice, like an open, I guess, to make you breathe. And then it has a little bit of stretch, which is a good thing. You always want your stuff to have a little bit of stretch. So I really like this, and I'm not a big fan of buying these ankle pants, but I'll try it out. You know, you can try something new, right? But I'm excited about this. I need something basic that I can wear. And then I have this beautiful dress. It's being whitewashed. I have this, oh, it has pockets. I didn't even know. And this white dress, I really like it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a t-shirt, and then it has a v-neck here, like, you know, like a wrap, like that. And then it's, you know, it's just like a dress shirt, and it's flared. I like flared for girls who don't have hips or you know, who don't have a big bum. Flared dresses really look nice on them, and they just complement the structure as well, especially for us that are bigger on the upper side. This is really good. I really like this dress. This is definitely a keeper. It's a nice basic outfit to have for spring or summer, you know, like those spring days when it's hot. And this is extra large. I had to get extra large again because of here, so I had to get extra large, but it fits and it looks really nice and I love it. And getting an extra large actually made it longer. The last thing I got is this nice sweater. It's really nice. I really love it. I don't think this nice sweater, it's really nice. I really like it. It's soft, and my plan was to wear this on top of, like, with the black pants, or even on jeans. This would really be nice. You know, it's just like something you wear like when it's cold outside, a springtime when it's chilly but it's not really cold, and you just want something a little bit warm to cover you up. So this is why I got this one, and I really like it. So hey guys, thank you for watching this video. This was just a short mini spring haul video that I was going to do for you guys, and I'll be dropping another video on Monday. But right now I just wanted to give you something for the weekend that you guys can watch. Maybe there's some pieces here that you might like. Let me know which was your favorite piece. I went, you know, out of my comfort zone and bought some other stuff, you know, that I wouldn't normally wear, but I really like, you know, how everything turned out. I was a bit disappointed with how some of the outfits came out because, you know, I couldn't fit them, and yeah. But yeah guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that next time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.